Hey everyone, welcome back to Python tutorial series for beginners. In this video, we will learn about steps in list slicing. So, the list slicing formula which we saw, the syntax which we saw looks like this: sequence, start index and end index. But there is one more optional parameter here, that is step. So step defines which elements we want to access. Do we want to access every element? Do we want to take every second element or every third element? So basically, if we want to skip the elements, then we can use step. Let us see with an example. So let us take our numbers list and let us access the three elements 20, 30 and 40. So how do we write? Start index is 1, end index is 4, and we got, sorry, I misplaced the square brackets. Let me correct it. 20, 30 and 40. But we have an optional parameter step. So when we don't give that step here, Python internally consider it as value 1. So default value of step is 1. So if we execute it, it still gives the same value because we want to access every element 20, 30, 40. Nothing is skipped. So let us say we want to access the entire list. How do we do that? Numbers 0 and colon, because we learned if we want to access the elements till the end of the list, we need not to give the end index. So all the elements. Also, if we learn that if we want to access the elements from the beginning, then we don't need to give start index either. Let us delete and see. So it is giving the complete list. If we leave the start index and the end index as blank, it considers the entire list itself. Now, if I write :1, because we learned that default value of step is 1, what will happen? Again, we are getting the entire list. But if I want to access every second element, let me not modify here, let me write it into another cell 2. So I want to access every second element. So 10, 30, 50. It is skipping one element. Okay. If I want to access every third element, okay, every third element, then 10, then it will skip to, the third element from 10 is 40. So it is printing 40. After that, it will skip to, but there is no more elements in the list. So only we get 10 and 40. So step tells that which element we want to access. Do we want to access every second element, every third element, every fourth element, and so on. Okay. Like we have seen that in indexing, we can use negative indexes also. So in steps also, we can use negative values. We can take negative steps. What does that mean? Let us print the list again, the complete list. We are getting all the elements. Let us give a negative index -1. What will happen? The list is reversed. What exactly happened? the list is reverse. So negative step tells the direction. So the direction is backward from right to left. When we give positive index, the direction of traversal is from left to right. When we give negative index, the direction of traversal is from right to left. Okay. So it was previously giving complete list from 10 to 60. Since the direction is from right to left, it considers 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, and 10. Let us see another example. Print numbers colon colon -2. Execute. Oh, I forgot the parenthesis. Execute. So what it is doing? Since it is -2 in the step, so it is printing every second element in the from right to left, right? 60, 40, 20. One step it is skipping. One element it is skipping. Okay. As our original list was from 10 to 60. Since we used -1, so it printed 60 to 10. We used -2, so it is skipping one element and printing 60, 40, and 20. So in this video, we learned about list slicing with step. We used positive step as well as negative step. In the next video, we will be learning about various methods of list.